Hi, welcome to another video of Tech Troubleshooters. Today, we'll go through a beginner-friendly Linode tutorial. If you're new to cloud hosting or just getting started with Linode, you're in the right place. What is Linode? Let's begin with the basics. Linode is a cloud hosting platform that provides virtual private servers, or VPS for short. Imagine it as renting a powerful computer that lives in a data center. You can use this remote computer to run websites, apps, databases, or even game servers, just like you would on your own machine, but with better uptime, performance, and global accessibility. Linode has been around since 2003 and is known for offering developer-friendly infrastructure, making it a favorite among startups, tech enthusiasts, and developers. With Linode, you don't share your server's processing power with random users. Your resources are isolated and dedicated. This means better performance, control, and security compared to traditional shared hosting. Why choose Linode? Predictable, transparent pricing. Linode's plans start as low as $5 a month and offer flat-rate billing, unlike AWS or Azure, where surprise bills are common. What you see is what you pay. Beginner-friendly dashboard. The Linode dashboard is clean and easy to navigate. Creating servers, viewing usage, setting DNS, it's all intuitive and perfect for beginners. Global data centers. Linode has servers across North America, Europe, and Asia. You can deploy your server close to your target audience to reduce latency and improve performance. Powerful hardware. Linode uses SSD storage, powerful CPUs, and fast networking. Whether you're running a blog or a high-traffic app, they have plans to scale. Helpful community and support. Their documentation is solid, and the support team is responsive. Plus, the Linode community forum is full of helpful solutions from real users. Create a Linode account. Let's walk through creating your Linode account. Visit linode.com and click on Sign Up. For this tutorial, I'll use Sign Up with Google, but you can use as you want. Mobile verification. After you sign up, Linode will ask you for mobile verification. Complete this. Add billing info. Linode requires a payment method to activate cloud services. You can use a credit card or PayPal. They often offer $100 credit for new users, so take advantage of that. After successfully creating a Linode account, let's deploy our first server. Let's begin by logging into your Linode dashboard. If you've just created your account, this is what you'll see. Now, click on the green Create button at the top right, and select Linode to start deploying your new server. Next, choose your Linux distribution. For beginners, we recommend Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. It's stable and widely supported. Scroll down and pick a region close to your target audience. This ensures faster loading times for your users. Now select a plan. You can start with a shared CPU plan. The Linode 1 GB is perfect for learning and light projects. Set a strong root password and optionally add SSH keys for secure access. This is crucial for protecting your server. All set? Hit the Create Linode button and give it a few seconds to provision your server.
Access your Linode via SSH.
Once your server is running, it's time to access it. We'll do this using SSH, or Secure Shell, a protocol that lets you securely connect to remote servers. This is like logging into your own remote computer. From here, you can run commands, install apps, and configure the server however you want. Basic server setup. Before hosting anything, let's secure and prepare your server. These are best practices every sysadmin follows. Update your system. Apt update, apt upgrade. This updates your server's software to the latest versions with security patches. Create sample folder and file. Mkd your sample folder. cd/sample folder. nano samplefile.txt. Inside file, write anything you want. Save it and close file. To view type, cat samplefile.txt. Now that your Linode VPS is up and running, it's time to put it to work. In the next video, we'll show you how to deploy WordPress on your Linode server, step by step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next tutorial.